Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw money from crypto.com to our bank account. So for that you need to open up your crypto.com account, and after that first of all you will have to set up your payment method or the currency in order to receive your money. So we will just click on this option of accounts on the bottom, and after that you need to click on this option of fiat wallet. And here you will find this option of set up new currency. Just click on it and then search for your currency, your native currency, and just add it. It might take up to 1 week or 2 weeks in some cases in order to get confirmation or verification from crypto.com. And after that you will be able to set up currency for your account. And after setting up your currency, you will receive an email from crypto.com. And after setting up this currency in your account, you just have to open up your account section on crypto.com, then open up the currency or cryptocurrency that you just want to convert. Just click on it and sell that particular crypto to your currency, your native currency. And for that, just click on sell. And after that, you will be able to receive the option of sell in the native currency. Just sell it. After that, when you go back, your fiat balance will increase. And when you click on this option of fiat, after selling your crypto, you will be able to withdraw it by clicking on transfer and then withdraw. And withdraw it in your bank account. And this is how you will be able to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.